let's just zoom this crap up. Yo, guys, my heart rate is it's like 305. Oh my god. Oh, look at that gas cloud. Oh my god. You can seriously see the shake right now. Oh. Oh yeah, you guys can see it right there. Guys, this shit is real. Too early to die. Guys, if it was a gas station that exploded, it wouldn't last that long. Oh, so actually, guys, oh my gosh, imagine if it was a gas station, dude. I feel bad because yes, there's a fire going on over there, dude. When I just hear it explode, my heart rate just like, oh my god, what is going on? It's like, dude. Okay, my god. But oh my god. Huh? What happened?
There's no way we're gonna be here when this comes over.
What is that? What is that?
That's the refinery.
What does that mean?
Where they refine oil and gas and petroleum.
They exploded?
Yeah.
Oh crap. Where are we gonna have to go? It was like 3-something in the morning.
We'll go get a room, man. We'll be alright.
Huh?
We'll go get a hotel room. It's still burning.
Are we gonna have to take our things?
No.
What happened?
Dude, focus on your YouTube.
Dang. Dude.
You don't know how to do Facebook Live, YouTube Live?
No, I
You should be
can't.
live in this right now.
Guys, this is crazy. My heart rate's like up. Oh my god. There's crap, but if we out there, this crap's gonna be dangerous, bro. That crap is gonna be here in about like tomorrow or so.
3 miles away, up to 13 miles away.
If it's gas burning like that, we don't want to breathe it.
Yeah.
That's probably where we're gonna go. Wait, oh crap, dude, I just
You
like.
call the police to see if they know?
Dude, we might have to go into a hotel. This guy's shit is real. I can't do this. This crap just exploded. Guys, I think that's a gas cloud. When that crowd comes over, it's probably not even gonna go fast. Yeah, that crowd's gonna be here in a day. Okay, so it's that way, guys. That way. I'm pointing. Okay, I'll show you. So if you see this oranges over there, circle, dude, I just got. Oh my god. I think my friend is up, probably. He probably heard the explosion. He lives all the way here. Oh, you don't need to. Sutton, like 125. I wish I could do this live, guys, but yeah. If you guys did enjoy this crazy video, this shit gets real. I can't believe this happened, but I hope I lived through this. If you guys see it up, I lived. But yeah, hope you guys enjoyed the video. Make sure to leave a subscribe, like, comment, and peace. Check out for more content. Well, this will probably be up in the morning. Peace.